This video will show you how to add, update and manage your products via your supplier portal. When you log into your secure portal, you will see your existing foods or recipes can be viewed on the left-hand side. To add a new product to your supplier portal, click the Start button located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Start menu. Click on New Food to add a new product to your database. You can add data from a product's nutrition label or from other sources, laboratory analysis or specification sheets. For this video, we are going to add label data. First, name the product and provide an optional description. These also act as search terms when looking for the product later. Next, choose a category for the product from the options presented. The category chosen will determine the cooking methods available if the product is used in a recipe. Add the key nutrients that appear on the product's label. The label format will default to the labeling standards and requirements of the region set in your account. This can be changed via the black drop-down arrow. If your product is a liquid, you can enter the nutritional information in mils by clicking the black drop-down arrow here. Click Show Extended Nutrients to enter any other details, such as fat subcomponents or micronutrient information. Click Submit Label Values when finished. If you choose to enter the nutrition information from other sources, the database values will be stored as entered and will also be converted to labeling standards. Once the nutrient information has been submitted, you will be required to add some other mandatory pieces of information before you can publish your product to your database. By scrolling to the publishing panel, you will see what is required. The mandatory information will be flagged in orange, and it will include product name, category, ingredient list, at least one portion or pack size, and its unique code. To add or update any of these fields, you can click on the Fix This button and you will be brought to the appropriate section. Additional but not mandatory information will be flagged with a blue exclamation mark, for example, cover photos. To add the ingredient list for the product, click the Fix This button and you will be directed to edit this in the appropriate section. The ingredient list can be typed in or copied and pasted from another source. You can choose to bold any allergens or click Scan for Allergens before clicking Update. If any allergens have been flagged, you will be asked to approve them in order to proceed. Now when we return to the publishing panel and click Recheck, the only outstanding pieces of information are a product or portion size and its unique code. Clicking Fix This will allow you to add up to 5 product names or portion sizes, for example, small, medium, large, or 150 grams, 500 grams, 750 grams, and their unique codes. It is important to note that a product or portion code is required for publishing. The code can be manually entered, or if your product doesn't have a code, you can choose to have one auto-generated. When all of the mandatory information has been added, the Recheck button will update to a Publish button. Clicking this button will publish the food to your database, which can be seen in the grey banner above. Once a product has been published, it will be available to your customers to search, view and use. All of the foods published to your database are stored in the My Foods tab. You can make any edits or updates to a published product by updating the appropriate section and republishing. However, if the product has been reformulated and has different nutrition or allergen information, you will be required to publish this food with a different product code. For more detailed information on the Supplier Portal, you can sign up to attend our next Advanced Supplier Portal webinar by clicking Menu, Support and Webinars.